Dear aspirants, we are here again with another set of questions. The RRB NTPC exam is starting next week, but we must tell you not only graduate level but these practice sets will be important for the undergraduate level exams as well. These 40 questions are prepared following the exam pattern. Hope you are practicing well. We have launched a comprehension and closed test series as well, where you can solve questions within a time limit and test your speed. So without delay, let's start. The Northeastern Railway is headquartered at Varanasi, Lucknow, Gorakhpur, Patna. Answer is Gorakhpur. The Simon Commission was boycotted by Indians because it did not recommend provincial autonomy, it had no Indian member, it was dominated by conservatives, it supported separate electorates. Answer is it had no Indian member. The capital of British India was shifted from Calcutta to Delhi in which year? 1905, 1911, 1919, 1921. And the answer is 1911. The concept of due process of law is borrowed from which country? UK, USA, Canada, Ireland. Answer is USA. The President can proclaim emergency under Article 352 only on the written advice of Lok Sabha, Supreme Court, Union Cabinet, Attorney General. The answer is Union Cabinet. The residuary powers in India are vested in states, centers, both center and states, local bodies. Answer is center. The first ruler to issue gold coin in India was Chandragupta Maurya, Kanishka, Bhima Kadphises, Samudragupta. Answer is Bhima Kadphises. Who among the following scholars is associated with deciphering Ashokan inscriptions? Max Muller, James Prinsep, Alexander Cunningham, William Jones. Answer is James Prinsep. The system of branding horses, Dag, and descriptive roles, Chehra, was introduced by Balban, Iltutmish, Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Answer is Alauddin Khilji. The roaring forties, a strong westerly winds found in southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, equatorial region, Arctic region. Answer is southern hemisphere. The deepest point in the Indian Ocean is Mariana Trench, Sunda Trench, Diamantina Trench, Java Trench. Answer is Java Trench. Which type of forest is found in Western Ghat? Tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, thorn forest, mangrove forest. Answer is tropical evergreen forest. The concept of economic planning in India is derived from which country? USA, USSR, UK, France. Answer is USSR. The term CRAR, capital to risk-weighted assets ratio, is associated with insurance companies, commercial banks, NBFCs, cooperative societies. Answer is commercial banks. In the union budget, the fiscal deficit is calculated as total expenditure minus total revenue, revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts, capital receipts minus capital expenditure, total expenditure minus revenue receipt plus non-debt capital receipts. Answer is total expenditure minus revenue receipts plus non-debt capital receipts. Which vitamin deficiency causes pernicious anemia due to lack of intrinsic factors? Vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B12, vitamin K. Answer is vitamin B12. Which plant hormone is responsible for cell elongation? Cytokinin, abscisic acid, auxin, gibberellin. Answer is auxin. Which of the following is not a connective tissue? Skin, bone, blood, cartilage. Answer is skin. Which railway zone was specially created for metro operations? Western Railway, Metro Railway Kolkata, Northeastern Railway, Southern Railway. Answer is Metro Railway Kolkata. Garden Reach in Kolkata is the headquarters of Metro Railway, Eastern Railway, Southeastern Railway, East Coast Railway. Answer is Southeastern Railway. What does URL stand for? Uniform Resource Locator, Uniform Resource Link, Unique Reference Link, Unique Resource Locator. Answer is Uniform Resource Locator. Which device is used to store data permanently? RAM, ROM, hard drive, flash memory. Answer is hard drive. Where did Tata Steel commission India's largest blast furnace? Jamshedpur, Kalinganagar, Rourkela, Bokaro. Answer is Kalinganagar. India's first Namo Bharat Rapid Rail, also known as Vande Metro, connects which two cities? Mumbai and Pune, Delhi and Jaipur, Ahmedabad and Bhuj, Chennai and Bangalore. Answer is Ahmedabad and Bhuj. India's longest and largest urban tunnel will be built in which state? Gujarat, Assam, Maharashtra, Kerala. Answer is Maharashtra. Which state won Best Agriculture State Award for 2024? Odisha, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Haryana. Answer is Maharashtra. The term Anuloma in ancient Indian text refers to a type of marriage, a type of tax, a military alliance, a Buddhist meditation practice. Answer is a type of marriage. The Purusha Medha or human sacrifice is mentioned in which Veda? Rig Veda, Sham Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda. Answer is Yajur Veda. Who was the founder of the Sayyid dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate? Khizr Khan, Mubarak Shah, Muhammad Shah, Alauddin Alam Shah. Answer is Khizr Khan. Which soil is most suitable for cotton cultivation? Alluvial, red, black regur, laterite. Answer is black regur. Which of the following is not a biosphere reserve in India? Nanda Devi, Nilgiri, Sundarbans, Dachigam. Answer is Dachigam. The critical angle of a material depends on frequency of light, temperature, refractive index, wavelength of sound. Answer is refractive index. Fleming's left-hand rule is used for induced current direction, magnetic field direction, force on a current carrying conductor, voltage in a circuit. Answer is force on a current carrying conductor. The Warda scheme of education was drafted under the leadership of Rabindranath Tagore, Maulana Azad, Zakir Hussain, J.L. Nehru. Answer is Zakir Hussain. The famous Sun Temple at Konark was built by Anantavarman, Narasimhadeva I, Rajaraja Chola, Bhoja. Answer is Narasimhadeva I. Which amendment provided for reservation in promotion for SC and STs? 76th Amendment, 77th Amendment, 93rd Amendment, 103rd Amendment. Answer is 77th Amendment. The 93rd Constitutional Amendment provided for free legal aid, 27% reservation for OBC in higher education, protection of SC/ST land rights, cooperative societies in constitutional bodies. Answer is 27% reservation for OBCs in higher education. The classical dance form Satriya originated from which Indian state? Manipur, Assam, Odisha, West Bengal. Answer is Assam. The Kalamkari art is associated with which state of India? Rajasthan, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Which element is responsible for the green color of emerald? Iron, chromium, copper, vanadium. Answer is chromium. So dear aspirants, this is it for today. Stay with this channel for the rest of the series. The Telegram channel link is given in the comment section. You will get a printable PDF in there. Please subscribe for the instant updates. See you in the next video. Thank you.